Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gelato for global fulfillment detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Gelato website URL and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address along with a secure password. Ensure your password meets the necessary security criteria for safety. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Gelato. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Gelato website, confirming your email. Once verified, you will be guided to complete your profile. Fill out the required fields, including your name, business address, and contact information. If applicable, select your preferred currency for transactions. Review the terms and conditions, then click on the checkbox to agree. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, proceed to click the Continue button. You may be asked to provide a phone number for additional verification. Enter your phone number and wait for the verification code via SMS. Input the code in the designated field on the website. Now, your account setup is nearly complete. Explore additional settings, such as payment methods and tax information, to enhance your profile. After all details are filled out, ensure you save your settings. With your account ready, you can start exploring Gelato's global fulfillment services. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available options. Now you are set to leverage Gelato for your global fulfillment needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.